Hey, good morning. This is Charles. I'm going to try to attempt to put a roll of film, a little roll of Kodak T-Max in my camera before I've even had breakfast. So pulling that out, and then I'm going to turn this guy upside down. That's good. I'll take off the plate in the back. Okay, so that's off. There's the original instructions from 1938. Anyhow, yeah, so right now I see this is where I'm going to load my film. Yep, so I'm going to take this out. That's my loading reel. And I'm going to take out my Kodak T-Max. What I'm going to do is just basically measure the distance. So here's my original lead, not very long. The Barnack needs it to be longer. So I'm just going to plug this in here, just take this out a little bit and figure out, yeah, that should be enough. I'm going to take the loading reel guy, load this in. It's not going anywhere. That should be good. So you see where you can see I'm kind of like this. So the goal is I want to be able to get a lead cut where I'm going to leave two sprocket holes here. So I'm just going to put this down. We'll grab a pair of scissors, if you guys can see it. I'm basically going to cut it from here right across and leave the two sprocket holes there. Is that going to be in the camera? Yeah, okay, hope you can see this. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this guy around. And here we go. Having coffee this morning, so there's my lead. It's not pretty, but basically you can see what's going on there. Okay, and now I'm going to flip it over because that's my take-up and load that in. First, good. I'm going to put back my plate. We can advance the roll, so I'm going to just tilt that. I'm going to take this up just to make sure I get a little bit of pressure, a little bit of tension. So I want to see that turn once I stop. So that should be turning once I take a picture. And look, it's turning. Take it one more time. It's ready. That's it. That's loading the Barnack. Look at this bad boy. I'll put the best part back on the front. Bam! There it is. 1938. So it's not that hard to load the film.